Hello everyone. Am I audible? Show your thumbs up if you all can hear me. Thumbs up with a bright smile. Yes, we always start our work with bright smile because today we are going to learn one artwork which we will be dedicating to our Papa. है ना? So without delay, let's learn it. And material list was already provided. Hopefully, you all would be having material available. And now, without delay, let's get started. So here I will show on screen the material we are going to use today. And today here, like lots of difficulty of yeah, this is the material. I will give you the okay. I will give you but bigger view of it so that you can clearly see this, and hopefully this light which you are getting is enough because today we are facing a great problem of electricity here. So hopefully the light is at least enough to learn. And we will be able to at least learn through this much of light. Okay. Yes. So see, here we have material available. What material is needed? This I'll share with you. Okay. Yeah. So on screen, you can see. Am I clearly audible? Yes. Can you hear me properly? Okay. So chalo, without delay, let's first understand that what material is needed today. Today we are going to learn a mini folding album. And here you can see I'm going to reuse this paper. This paper, this sheet I was getting when I was purchasing A3 size paper. So those A3 size papers, bundle 100 sheets in was wrapped in this paper. I'm going to reuse this paper, and if you have this kind of pamphlets, many times colorful pamphlets we get, that paper is also very good. If you want to use, like, see this paper, this is a pamphlet, but it is such amazing glossy paper. Okay, yes, this could be used. Any thick paper could be used for making this. And I gave you the size also, so hopefully your squares would be ready. Are you ready with your squares? Yeah. Show four squares. We are going to use four, but if you want to make use just three, you can go for three also. If you want to use five or six, you can even use. Accordingly, your album will be bigger or smaller. Okay? I'm audible. Can you hear me? Show me your thumbs up. Show me your thumbs up if you all can hear me. Okay, so those who are not able to hear me, please check your internet because I got a message that I'm not audible. So please check your internet. Many times, due to poor internet on your end, also this happened that you are not able to hear me. I will try to shift it little this way so that at least light we will be getting will be enough. Now it's perfect, right? Now let's understand what material needed. Okay. So here I've taken this kind of four square sheets, and I will be using four. So I also reuse paper. Because in these classes we completely focus on reusing and repurposing things. So if any glossy magazine you have, you can even take paper from there. And any calendar, like old calendars, you can take it because the calendars also have very good quality paper. And a wedding card are quite thick. We are going to have folds. So some anything which we can fold and proper creases we can get. could be used. And we are going to use these all 4 sheets and a satin ribbon or anything to put over. So I have this lovely jute string with 2 beads over. But if you have any kind of string, you can use. If you don't have, then also it's okay. And I have some this kind of colorful papers as well. And also these are lovely colors. So if you want to put some patterns, and I like in mini folding album, you want to write something and you want to cut heart shape or a flower shape or round shape. So you can simply decorate. If you have punching machine, many of you must be having punching, and that from which you can take out some beautiful patterns. You can use that also. We mentioned minimum material needed. So that's true. Otherwise, what happens? Students panic. So parents have to rush. So we always mention limited material needed. Okay, to see this is our material. A4 size paper. We cut this from A4 size paper only. So you will take A4 size paper. Suppose this is your A4 size paper. So when you will fold your A4 size paper this way, now you will find this much big square. So with A4 size paper only, you can cut it. Okay? So anything you have available, you can find 4 papers available. Shall we go for the fold now for mini folding album? Yes, ready? I want to start my class with a bright smile. Yes. Why? Because this is going to be a surprise gift for Father's Day. Yes. And as this is going to be mini folding album, you can do pasting of some pictures if you want, or you can actually paint. And though you can paint like some memories in line figure also you can paint. You can write some beautiful lines for your papa. You're going to find lots of space for doing this. So chalo, let's get started. So we'll keep all the stuff on one side and we will start with one paper. Okay, one paper. Come on, take this paper. And we will learn the fold. This fold we will repeat 4 times because all 4 papers and square it should be. If it is rectangle, no, make it square. And I have clearly mentioned that it should be square. If you are using A4, if you have this rectangle paper, then you simply fold and find out the square. All it could be bigger or smaller, but all the squares should be of equal size. One is big, one is small. It should not happen. All should be of equal size. Okay, come on, do this. And now we will be starting with the fold. Let's learn the fold now. Okay. Now what you'll be doing, you will simply see this corner very carefully. See, and once you will understand, and this corner will come on this corner. Exactly. See, and on one side it is printed little bit, so it will help you understand it better ways. First, you will connect corners. And this line should come on this line. Corner you will manage nicely. And this is a very simple origami fold, which is simple but very important. And now, after managing your lines properly, you will press now. It should never be like in a hurry you are folding. No, properly. See, each line is on each other. Okay, you will find this kind of triangle. Come on, do this. I will go very slow because we are going to repeat the same for remaining 4 sheets. Okay, we will be using for remaining 4 sheets. And this album will look like a small tiny wallet, but when you will open, it will become a one album. This is a beautiful concept and beautiful thing which could be used for any like so many different occasions, like Friendship Day special album you can make. And yeah. And if you'll visit our YouTube channel, I covered up album come Rakhi. In that, in a matchbox, we made a Rakhi, and in that we managed to have an album. So it is also a beautiful Rakhi. If you want to check it, you can. Come on. Now, what you will do? You will fold it one more time. So this point you will properly. This point will come on this point. Okay, come on, do this very carefully. And as we are going to revise it 4 times, like 4 sheets I'm going to use. And see, I reuse a paper. Normally, this covers and all, many times paper gift wrap we find, paper gift wrap. Calendars are amazing. And the stationery of calendar is always wonderful. I'm going to teach you paper bag also. of two kinds. So please keep calendars properly. And yeah, next class, we are going to learn something. Can any guesses what you're going to learn? I will show you. Any guesses? What are these? Come on, guess. What are these? Yes, we are going to use it. These are seeds of mango. Seeds of mango, you will clean it, then you will dry it, sun dry it, and it is having a beautiful fur. And we will be using it for making birds. And our next class, we are going to reuse these seeds. These are mango seeds. And mango, after eating mango, it's gutli in normal language, we call it gutli. And this is mango's gutli. Mango seed, which you will sun dry. And using it, we will be making a beautiful craft next class. Okay. So you will see that this can, and best out of waste, normally you're looking for something now to make out of. If you want to ask anything, Trishika, please message. And I'll reply you immediately. Okay, so please collect. That's why I'm showing it today only. Collect it and sun dry it because once it is dry, then only we can use it. Okay? Chalo. So now this first fold, after this, what you will do? See, when you will open here two flaps. See, there are two flaps. One, two. Now you will take your finger, you will go inside in the corner, go in the point. See, inside in the point. And when you will go in point, this line will come, stand automatically. This line will come on the line below. Can you see one more line is there? And very carefully, this line should come exactly on this line, point on point, and you will press. This is the basic origami fold. Once you know this origami fold, you can learn so many things. Maximum origami craft, they start with this fold only. Okay, I will show you again. See, first do this. I will show again. See, this you was having now. When you will take your finger in corner, automatically the line which you need to take up will rise, and this line is having one more line below. So here, very carefully, and the fold should be neat. Then only your album will look good. Hai na? Yes, you will fold it like this. One square, right? Yes, come on, do this. So now the triangle has been converted in a square. And same, we are going to repeat another side. Other side, you will turn. Okay, I'll wait. And for first fold, I will go very slow. And this is a basic origami fold, which I really want all of you to learn because there are so many beautiful craft with origami. And once you know this, then I will think about teaching all those. Hai na? And calendars, if you have, and please keep it because paper bag also I'll love to teach. Okay. Yes. Now you will turn. Now this square will go down and you will find this line. Can you see this line? This line you can see. From here, your next triangle, you will let it be like this. You fold your triangle this side and this side. And when you will open this triangle, when you will go in the corner of this triangle with fingers, so what will happen? Again, you will find one line upper side, one line lower side. And see, make sure the fold should be perfect. And a little effortsfully try to understand. Fold should be perfect. If your fold will be imperfect, then what will happen? Your album will also will not turn up very tidy. And see, what will happen many times is it's split. It goes like this. No, it should be, you will hold it like this. Then this line which we have, you will keep it over and all the 4 points should have one single common end. See, this. Okay? See, these all are. Many times when you fold now, so these inner two triangle, they split. No. Let it be at place and nicely fold it. You will find this kind of object. Okay? Yes. Acha, all of you do. I want to know how many of you are able to understand. Those who got it, show thumbs up. Those who did not, show thumb down. I will repeat it. I'll repeat it one more time. Don't worry. I'll show it one more time. Okay, don't worry. As I told you, this is the basic origami fold. So you all, I will go very slow this time. Okay, and I'll take help of pencil also. I think that will be easy. Yes, I will repeat. I'll repeat. Acha, once like I kept white upper side, second time you can keep even white lower side also. Okay? See the very first fold, let's learn it again. Don't worry, I'll show it again. Okay, I'm going to show it again so that you can understand. Yeah, I'll show you. Okay? Let's go it again. So very first thing you will do, you will convert this paper in triangle. Okay? Paper in triangle. So you will go inside. Make sure your triangle should be properly on lines of each other. Point should match on point, line over line, and then you will press. Press it nicely so that you will find a deep impression. Okay? And again, I'm at the place of using colorful sketch pens. I will be using my colorful marker pens. Yeah, all these marker pens I will be using for making my Father's Day card very beautiful. Okay, you will first convert it in two folds you will give and you will find this triangle. Come on, do this much you do. I'll wait and I will go very slow. This time I will take help of pencil also so that you can understand it better ways. Yes, done. This fold is done now. Now, okay. Now take your finger. With this finger, it will help you. Or take your pencil. Take your pencil. Now, what you will do with this flap? See, we have two flaps. And two flaps. So we have two boxes also. This kind of two columns also. Now you will take pencil and you will go in first column. Go in corner. See, I will show you this ways. Go in corner. When you will go in corner, one flap, it will start. It will simply come up. The flap which is coming up, it means this line, this line. And can you see there is one line below also here. And this line we have. This inner line we have. See, one line is this, one line is this. You will simply, when you will open it now, you will find both the lines, this line and this line. You will put it on each other. Make sure all the points should come on proper place. You will simply go this ways. Okay? See, when you will open, it will look like this. And when it will look like this, you will find two lines in front of each other. You simply need to close. You simply need to put lines on each other and make a box like this. Okay? Yes, come on, do this. And after this, yes, all of you do this. And I will go very slow so that you can understand it. Okay. And fathers, like they are one who are roots of the family. And they sometimes they are strict, but there is love hidden. And in our story also, this is of father, like this is a story of a family, the only son and mama and papa, and they were like middle low class. This is a middle low class family. Okay, now turn it. Done. Show me this much, how it is done. Yes, very good. Now what you will do, you will turn it down. So you will find this kind of triangle. I will draw it so that you can understand. And at this line, you can make this line so that you can understand it. Okay? Yes. So when you will turn it down, you will find this kind of triangle. And this triangle is what? If you will keep your hands on this line and you will open it, so again, it is like a box. See, it is like the same cavity. If you don't, and again, we have one line and another line. We are simply supposed to make a pocket. Simple. Yeah. First, make this line, do this. After this flap we have now, pick it up, pick up this flap, fold it this side, fold it this side. You will find, and now you will take your pencil, you will let it stand like this. Take your pencil to the corner. When you will go in corner of the pencil, automatically it will open. And when it will be opening, you will find one line standing, one line sleeping. See, you will find one line standing, one line sleeping. Standing line will come exactly on sleeping. And yes, this is the way you will be making your square. Okay. This is the way we will be making our square. See, two squares are ready. Okay. How many of you got it now? Show me. Yes. Okay. And I will show you one more time. Don't worry. I will repeat one more time. Okay. So hopefully till fourth time you will be able to understand it properly. If you have colorful sheets and you want to make it colorful, you can. But here in these classes, especially, we are focusing on reusing things so that you can understand that many times the things which you consider is useless and simply throw it off. How it could be reused. Old time in traditional way of living, people were using the resources maximum. For example, suppose a new t-shirt. So first that new t-shirt people were using for occasions, and once the t-shirt is old and faded, they were using it for home use, and they were wearing it them at home. And if it is very much in bad condition or one or two holes appear, so they started wearing at night time because that time no one is looking at it. And if it is completely worn out, so either bags or pocha, wiper to wipe out floor, like one t-shirt and so many uses. Many times old cloths for making nappies. You can ask your mama, she must have seen this time. Hannah, mama, show your thumbs up. You must have seen this time that how sustainable the life was. And today, like as the trend is and availability of things is so easily available, we stop using resources fully. We are so used to of discarding things easily. But what is happening? Where the discarded stuff is going, we need to ask to ourselves. It is making heaps of garbage, mountains of garbage. When you reuse things, what you do, you save money. Like say at the place of purchasing paper, I simply reuse, but saved my money. 4 sheets I saved. And secondly, it will reduce the garbage. Okay. Come on, now let's learn it again. You can fold it this ways. Yeah, very carefully. Even blanket bags, you can cut squares out of that also. Gray, that is also a lovely color. And with blanket bags, I taught you to make flowers, if you remember. So those flowers you can make and decorate your home, or you can make a bouquet out of it. The first step is triangle. Come on, do this. We will you take help of pencil. We will mark our lines first. This time I'm going to mark lines every time so that you can understand it easily. And this we are going to do with our 4 sheets, all 4 sheets. Okay. Yes, done? Okay. Now take your pencil. We have 2 flaps. Can you see 2 flaps? So you will go in the pocket of first flap, go in corner, so this flap will open. When you will go inside it will open like this. See, it will open like this. And when it will open, you will find one line this side, one line this side. I will show the lines so that you can see it easily. See, one line is this, and one line is this. So simply the line which is standing and line below, you will put them on each other. Very carefully. Make sure first you will place your points properly and then you will press. And it should never be like in a hurry you press and the fold is not perfect. It should be neat and clean. Then only it will turn up well. Okay. So see, this is the way you will fold. Come on, do this. I'll wait. What we are going to do next after turning it that side, that also I will teach you. So see, in one flap, I kept printed part upper side and white part inside. And in one, I kept white part upper side, printed inside. And you can do anyways. And colorful sheets if you have, colorful cards you have, glossy sheets you have, and any magazine which is having lovely and good quality paper, you can definitely use that. Okay, yeah. You can use that for making cards even. Now see, when you will turn, you will find this line. I will make line for you. And I see this is a line you have. If you will keep it this way, you will find one more triangle. Come on. Anna, come on, turn it out and you will find triangle. Make a line over so that you can understand it better ways. Okay? After this, on this line, this flap we have, na, this flap, come on. This flap you will fold on this line, this side. You will find one line here also. So on this line, you will fold your flap this side, this side. First you do this. Come on, do this. Okay? Then let it be like this. है ना? And take your pencil in the corner. Come on, take it to the corner. When you will go in corner, again, you will find two lines. One is standing line and one is sleeping line. And the sleeping line, when you will fold, it can split. You will hold it nicely. And the standing line, this line, see this standing line, you will simply put it over and press it nicely for getting deep impression. Your third flap is ready. Okay, third flap is ready. Yes? If you want to make just with 3, you can, but I purposely took 4 so that you will repeat and understand it nicely, okay? And what materials needed for making this craft, and with this. And you know what? If you will observe this mango seed, it's having a natural fur. And if you paint it pure nicely, that furry look of it can be used for making fishes and all. We will be learning bird, or we'll see, but just start saving it and sun dry. These are completely dry. Okay. Now you will take a fourth. This time I will be keeping triangle. Yeah, sure. I will wait so that you all can do. I will show right from beginning. Again, I'll repeat. Okay? As I told you, this is the basic origami fold. And once you know, then all other craft, they start with this basic origami fold only. So I will love to teach it again and again. And if you will understand this now, that even I can think about covering a few craft of origami, which could be made using Blinkit bags. And Blinkit bags also, out of that, how we can convert a Blinkit bag in a beautiful gift pack. This also we will learn, because gift packing paper, which is quite shiny and glittery, again, it's a garbage. And we don't reuse it. And it's again something which is harmful for environment. So with paper, how you can create such amazing gift papers, this also I will teach you. Chalo now, fold and first triangle. Okay, a big triangle, then a small triangle. Make sure your point should come on point, this point on this point. And at each point you will fix your lines, you will fix, and then you will press. And very nicely. Origami teach you patience, because every time your each and everything you're making should be done with patience. Okay. And this big triangle will be converted in small triangle again. Acha, the name of the boy of this family about whom I'm going to share the story, as continuously I'm guiding, so it's a little challenging to maintain the rhythm. That's amazing, Ronak. You can share your paper bag with us. Okay. Yeah. I will be showing the kind of drawings we are covering in our class also. Now, what you will do with this flap you have, go inside and automatically you will find one line, oh, standing, one sleeping. This standing line will come on sleeping line. And you will find one square open. Okay. And one triangle has been converted. Now you will turn. And don't forget to make one line which you can see here. And one line here this side. This will help you understand. These two lines we have, and this is some papers flap which is standing. See one line this side, one line this side. And when you will go inside in corner, again one line is standing, one line is sleeping. See, you will be able to see it clearly when you will take your pencil to the corner. This is a standing line and this is a sleeping line. Standing line will come exactly on sleeping and your origami fold is ready. So are all four uh, flaps are ready? And see, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are ready. Come on. And we simply reuse a calendar or any paper, even magazine. If you're using magazine, then what you can do, you can find out some colorful sheets and you can make some cutouts, and on that you can write your message. If you want to do pasting of photos, if you have some pictures which could come. Acha, according to size, the size of this mini album is completely dependent on what size of paper you are using. If you will be using big paper, then your album will be little bigger. Okay. Yes. So come on, show me your four flaps. Four folds are ready. And this is going to be the backbone of your mini folding album. Wonderful. And now we need Fevicol. Okay? Yes, Fevicol is needed now. Be ready with your Fevicols and nicely press, so that deep impression you will find and pasting will be more easy. Now, one more step you need to clear, and that is, I'll show you. First, you will take two flaps. Two flaps. Come on. And keep your two flaps away. And two flaps first you will work with, so that you can easily understand. I will keep it this side and see. These flaps are kept. What ways? If you will see, these flaps are okay. So now we will keep our two flaps. You can see these. See your flaps. This is open side and this is closed side. So open side. And this is also a flap with open side. So both the open sides you will keep facing each other. Come on, do this. Because now it's very carefully you will do the pasting. Okay. Which part you want me to repeat, Shargun? Fold? Do you want me to repeat fold? Okay, I'll give a quick revision of this. What I did first, I took a paper and then I tried. I'll take a fresh paper. Yeah, see, this will be kept this way. Okay, come on, do this. Now, very carefully try to understand the concept. Okay, now here, if you will see this very carefully, this is upper flap. You know, this is upper flap and this is lower flap. This is upper flap. Just a minute. I will read the messages I'm getting. String, if you don't have, it's okay. There is no compulsion that you should have string. And if you don't have string, I will give a quick revision. See, I will show with one more paper so that you can understand how to do. So I will take one square paper. Okay, and I will show it one more time. Okay, one more time I will show how to make the flap. You will simply, it's a beautiful craft, and this could be used for so many different occasions. I will show how to go for fold. Okay, last time I'm showing you one more time. So this is a rectangle. Sorry, this is a square. I cut from this. Now this square, this I will convert in triangle, then one more triangle. Very carefully see now. Can I? Every time, see, you have these two sleep standing lines and you have these sleeping lines. Every time this standing line, you need to keep on sleeping line. And then this line, you will make it stand and this line will go on sleeping line. And same you're going to do back side. Okay. See, I will show you again. We have this open two flaps. So this is line and this is again line. This line should come on this, exactly on this. So for this, what we will do, we will open this cave and this line will go on this line. Okay? Yes. And same you're going to do here. You will again make the flap open and the standing line will go on sleeping line like this. Little practice would be needed, but with little practice, you will find command over. Okay. And this is the way you will find it done. Come on. Now we will switch on to our next step, and that is we will start connecting it for making album. Okay, we will be learning how to make album. Very carefully try to understand. See, each album is having upper side and lower side. Hai na? If I will hold it like this, so this is upper side and this is lower side. Hai na? We have this upper cover and this lower cover. Hai na? See, this is upper, this is lower. Right? Same ways here, we have this upper surface, lower surface. Upper surface, lower surface, right? Now what you will do, you will keep your open sides facing each other and lower side of it and upper side of it. Lower side of this and upper side, you will do pasting. It will go inside. Okay? I will show you again. See, if you will open it, this side. This side you have now. Here you will put Fevicol. I will show you again. Now see, this is the lower base and here it is upper base. Hai na? So upper base will go this ways. And lower ways will again do pasting this way. So one will come here this ways and one that ways. Okay. This is the way we will do its pasting. So come on, let's take Fevicol and you will put Fevicol only in lower flap. Only this I will show with pencil. See, this lower square we have now, here you will put Fevicol. And make sure your Fevicol should be pasted here only. Otherwise, your other flaps will get. See, and here we did. And what we will do, this upper flap, we will simply open and upper flap and lower flap, it will go. I know it's little challenging, but it is such amazing craft that I really wanted to learn. Now, what will happen? This will be paste. These are pasted. These are pasted. Now the album will be getting ready. So I will show again. See, with this I will show you again. And these are two flaps. We have upper portion and we have lower portion. So lower portion and upper portion, we will do its pasting together. And a lower portion and upper portion, we will paste very carefully. Okay, this ways. Yes. This we need to do for making it. Okay. So chalo, let's do it here also. I will put lower flap, upper flap, and will be completing. Now see, this album which is pasted, can you see it is now the shape of album is taking. Again, we have lower flap. Next one is upper flap. We will do its pasting and it will be done. This is lower flap and one more. So if it is lower, so here it will come upper. Okay, come on. I will show you. If it is lower, there that side it will come upper. Lower and upper. If you come here, again it is lower, so here it will come upper. This is the way. If one is lower, one is upper. This you keep in mind and you will do its pasting. And your album is about to get ready. See, this is lower now. So which part will come here? Lower? No. Upper will come. And your complete, all the flaps have taken the form of a small kind of wallet kind of something. But if you will open it, it is a mini folding album. It's a beautiful mini folding album. But when you fold, it is just like a box. See, I took 4, but I will suggest you, as you are getting confused, you take 3. You take 3, don't take 4th also, because students are getting confused. So better you go for just 3 squares. Okay. You can, although you can take 4 or you can take 5 even. According to your flaps, your album will look bigger. Okay, come on. And see this mini folding album. See, there are so many things to do pasting. And if now see one more thing, if you will fold it, it will look like a star also. So if you want to make a star, you can even connect it with each other. 5 you can take. And for Christmas and all, you can make a star also. Come on. Do its pasting. Done? Okay, I'm waiting. All of you finish. Huh. If you want to ask something, Adita, please message. Okay. So see, one flap this side, one flap this side. Upper flap and lower flap, you will do pasting with each other. Okay, and then you will find this kind of mini folding album. Yes, I'm waiting. This kind of album will be ready. And here the squares which you could see. Keep trying, beta. Keep trying. And see, you will be getting its recording also on YouTube. Can you hear me? Am I audible? Show your thumbs up. Show your thumbs up if you can hear me. Okay, Agrima, if you're not able to hear me, please check your internet because rest all can hear me. So this is a problem from on your end. And show me how your album open. I want to check how your album is opening. Yes, it's opening like wonderful. So you can go for 3 And it will open like this. See, you can see it will open like this, and all the squares we have, this is for writing your putting your photographs or writing something. And the moment you will close it, it will look like a wallet. Okay? Yeah, it will look like this. And now is time to decorate it. Now you can decorate it with beautiful drawings and a beautiful craft. If you have something like, suppose if you have a beautiful bow, and you can put a bow here, and you can simply mustache or what you can make. And anything you feel you want to make, you can. If you want to make a coffee mug, yes, you can make a coffee mug also, because normally dads love to make it. I will start with a coffee mug. Okay, on the top. And if your paper is printed, in that case you can um, uh, take a piece of white paper, you can do its pasting, or you can even draw it. I will be making it very symbolic, very simple, and I will write love you dad. It's a rectangle and handle. Okay, some this kind of graphic based artworks will make it looking appealing. If you have a bow or a photograph of Papa, you can simply place the photograph of Papa in front and see. Now the second flap is this. Here you can write something or you can make a photo. And then we have again one flap, and we have so many flaps inner and outer side. So we are going to use all these for making our beautiful album. Okay. So I will be making mug and a heart shape, and you can write dad. Okay, we will simply keep it symbolic, and coffee, like garma garam coffee, favorite. And you can write dad. Rectangle, C, heart shape, and dad. Okay. And if you don't have like some stickers or some photos, uh, okay, I will show this one more time. One more time, I'll show you. See what to do. This is a paper. You will fold this square paper. You will fold it like this. Then one more fold. And every time when you fold it now, see these two lines will come on the line below. So this line, you will simply press down and it will come on this line. And same you are going to do here, this side also. Okay. The standing line will come down and you will find square. And this square, how will you paste? Like two squares, you will take the lower portion and upper portion. It will go and the pasting will be done. Okay. And now we will start with the decoration part. And I want to make my coffee mug red with white heart. So I will be simply making it looking amazing with some beautiful graphic ways. Very simple. Now here, if you have lovely photograph, or if you have a bow, or if you want to draw a tie or anything else you feel that it could be used here, you can use. You need to see your treasure box, what you have in your treasure box. So I will make it with red because red is color of this, and I'm going to give it a black bold outlines. After making handle, I will make a black. And what I did for making this, I simply draw a rectangle and a C for making its handle, right? See this ways. With black outline, it will turn up wonderfully. So I will simply place a paper inside so that the marks will not come the lower side. And I will give outlines. Okay, bold black outline will simply enhance its beauty. Dad. I'm going to write dad. Okay? Yes. So this few small graphics and even line figures. If you don't have photos, you can simply memorize those the memories, and you can simply put it here over. If your papa love to play guitar or some other hobbies, you can simply make that cricket. You can make a bat ball and this kind of things. You can add inside also. Inside also, in this mini folding album, we have lots of space. And if you're making picture of your papa and if, like, so try to remember the favorite T-shirt or shirt or favorite color of your papa, and try to draw it on it. Okay, so that it can. And if you have photos, then nothing is as good as this. So many times greeting card making, this competition happen. I will cover up one never ending card also. Never ending card, which is also amazing. If you want to make a table, you can make a table. And you can simply show this on the top. Okay. Very simple, very symbolic. Okay. Write it more neatly. Love you, dad, also you can write. If you want to write love you, dad, you can write that too. Okay. So this is going to be your very first page. If some lines, unwanted lines, erase it. If you want to put some beautiful colors in background and want to make it looking more colorful, it's completely your choice. What ways you, if you have stickers, many times you have beautiful stickers, Father's Day special stickers, Mother's Day special stickers. You can simply use it. Punching machine, if you have, and you can punch beautiful shapes and you can do it spacing. It's completely your choice what ways you want to make it wonderful. Okay. So, best dad in the world. Now, inside the next page, you can draw one trophy. You can draw one trophy and best dad in the world. You can write this. And suppose your papa is very good at playing something. Now, see here. Here also we have space for writing something. Then here we have some space. And now see, if your paper is of this kind, you can cut a piece of paper or you can do pasting of some this kind of colorful papers and you can write something. Suppose you have taken pieces from magazine. So you can simply tear lines. I will show how. And you can write your words. So I want to write the best dad in the world. I love you a lot. है ना? You are, see, you can simply put the stripes this ways and you can write. So in your own creative way, you can make it looking creative. If you're reusing or repurposing paper, then you can go for this kind of write-up. You can take ice cream sticks also. You can do pasting of ice cream sticks. On that, you can write. है ना? I was having this kind of colorful stripes, so I use that. You can take colorful stripes from magazines and you can go for. हेलो हेलो हाँ अभिषेक कैसे हो नहीं नहीं देखा नहीं था क्लास चल रही है एक्चुअली हाँ ठीक है मैं करवा दूंगी ओके हाँ ठीक है ठीक है तो in your own ways you can make a big heart shape and like suppose if you want to make a big heart shape and you want to write your message here now you can open your album and you can make it as beautiful as you want so here I will be writing here on stripes है ना I will be writing on stripes. So I will do pasting of stripes. And see, when you are doing pasting, make sure your glue should be that much only that the flaps should not get pasted on each other. If you will put lots of glue, then what will happen when you will close your album? It will get stuck with each other. The flaps will be pasted and then you won't be able to open it. So you're supposed to be little wise with all these things. See, I put little of Fevicol and these stripes I will be writing something. है ना and see some this kind of stripes right here and here I will be writing on next flap I will be making one big heart shape and in that I will be writing something it is completely your choice what ways. And if you feel that I want to make a trophy and world's best dad, and you want to make it this ways, again, your figures should be absolutely simple. And to see, I will be making a trophy, U shape, C shape, and you can make a trophy, world's best dad. And you can write world's best dad. You can give trophy. If you have any, you want to cut and paste, like it is completely your choice in what ways you want to make it looking very creative. So I will simply go for yellow and I will give black outlines after doing this. Okay. See. See, I will show how to stick. Like, see, this is your flap. Yeah, when you will keep your two flaps facing each other. So upper flap, you will not use, you will use lower flap. It's absolutely lower side. See, this absolutely lower portion, this portion. You will put Fevicol and then another flap which you have, of that you will be using upper flap. So lower and upper. Suppose this is lower and this is upper, you will do its pasting each other with each other. And when it will be pasted, so these all flaps, both the flaps will be connected. They will be attached. Okay. And then your work will be done. Okay. So this is the way of pasting. One this side, one that side. Okay. Like both are facing each other, and upper and lower, we will be doing pasting of. And same, we will keep repeating. If this is lower, so next will be upper. Lower and upper. This you need to keep in mind that lower and upper you will be using. And see, this is going to be my next graphic. I am going to use this for very simple graphic. There is nothing like that it should be very just graphic based and world's best dad. And like you want to give this trophy of best dad in the world to your father. So you will simply draw a trophy for your father. Okay. World's best. Yeah, number one. Number one, dad. Okay. And if you feel that you want to make it looking more beautiful and very like beautiful, you can make tiny, tiny dots all around. It will make it looking colorful. Now, these things which I'm pasting, you can cut also. You can cut with sparkle sheets, colorful sheets. It's completely your choice how much efforts you want to put. Drawing and coloring is simplest, because you all have marker pens always ready. Trophy, if you don't want to make, if you want to make something else, you can make that also. Flower, a bouquet you want to make, so you will be making a bouquet. Let's make a bouquet. है ना? And we will be writing to so here this flap, and here we will write something like love you a lot, or whatever. Like I miss my papa a lot, I can write miss you papa a lot. We can write yes. So see, these are the ways. Slowly, the album is taking shape. Okay. And not only here, we have flaps here as well. Can you see? Here also we have flaps. To write something. So many flaps are still there, and on each corner you can write something. When you will open, you have these flaps also to write your messages. If you want to write something for your papa, Papa, you help me in studies. I love you a lot. Or you want to make some promises, you can write on the side flap. And photos and graphics you can do on front flaps. You have lots. See, every time you have lots of space. If you will see here also you have lots of space. And if you turn it upside down, again, it will be open with a space. Again, it is open with space. So many like portions we have where we can do something. So I will write, miss you a lot, Papa. Okay? And many times your father could be little strict, but believe me, there is love behind. Okay, miss you. Mm. Even in our stories, what happened? Story, what happened? This boy, the only son of parents, and I wanted to go to picnic. And this is a middle class family, middle low class, and the charges were very high. So Papa, after saving money for long, he purchased. He was having a dream of getting a smartphone, so that important moments could be captured, photos could be taken. So since long, he was collecting money and purchase. But when came to know about that son want to go for picnic, he simply sell off his smartphone. And when child came to know that Papa sell off his smartphone, which he purchased with so much of efforts, then he decided. So this boy was very good at painting. He started painting plastic pots and containers, and then started collecting money. So this is a trophy. This is message, and I want to make some beautiful flower pot. I will be making a lovely flower pot this side. Okay, then let's make lovely flowers, colorful flowers. And as told you, graphic based. You can open it like this. You will find your work easy. Graphic based flowers we will be making. So I will be simply making this kind of C shapes. And if you want to put a bow and a decorative things you want to use, you can. Some colorful flowers, brush pen you will take. If you want to make roses, or you want to make a single rose, or you want to make multiple rose, or if you have some cutouts of it, what not? You just see in your treasure box what you have available. That you will be using things which you have available. Okay? That's why we don't mention, so that you can start observing creative stuff you have available, and you can think openly at the place of keeping yourself stuck on the ideas we are departing. Just look in your treasure box, and whatever you have available, you simply use that. Okay, red also I will use red flowers, and black I will use for brown, I will use for making center. So see, I made lots of uh, this kind of shapes. And after that, if you feel that you want to put some leaves, and artificial leaves you can put, real leaves you can put, whatever you have available. So I have some dry leaves, and I have some artificial leaves available. So I will simply put it here. And if you want to fill colors inside, you want to make it looking more beautiful, है ना? Leaves simply and beautiful. If you feel that you want to draw it first, है ना, then only you will be able to make it. So make it, and whatever you are making, take your time. And I'm simply showing it so that you can see that how it will turn up. Artificial leaves, if you are making, then you can skip uh, some leaves. I will make, and I'll be using brown color for making the center point. Nicely, if you have bindis, colorful bindis, you can do it pasting. है ना? Yeah. See, if you have beads, you can do it pasting. And I will do one thing. I'll paint it. If you have a bow, and for with gifts, you find lots of bows. So you can even put a bow also here. You can put a bow also here. Okay. This flower pot could be made on the top also. Here also you can make flower pot. And a beautiful flower pot with a bow over. You can do this. But coffee mug, coffee is favorite of Papa. We decided to go with it. Was best dad in this flower pot. है ना? And your each and every corner of this craft is filled with something, this or that for Papa. You can even draw line figures for Papa's memory. Like, remember the time when Papa make you sit on shoulders and you were ringing the bell of temple. You can simply draw it. And Papa was taking you to school on scooter or car. You can draw it. Just try to remember those moments, and when you draw it, now somewhere in your subconscious brain, it goes. And you understand that for each and every success of yours, You are lucky your parents are always there. Okay. Yes, finish this. है ना तो artificial leaves or any other creative thing if you have, you can definitely use that. Okay. And now time to write messages. You can write beautiful messages all around. And if you feel that you want to tie it, and like when you will be handing it over, you want to tie it, so you can simply put it this ways and you can put a bow, you know, when you will be handing it over. See, you can simply put a bow. I was having this jute string, so I prefer taking it. And it's a beautiful card. It's looking as if, what is this, a small wallet or what? But when you will open it, inside memories. Now here you can write, you know, if you feel that each and every corner you want to decorate, so what you can do, you can take some bright colors and you can simply add some patterns all around. And I suppose this color is very bright, so you can put some heart shapes here, and you can make some patterns all around. And you can write also on each and every page, whatever you feel like to write. Yeah. And here, if you feel you want to write some message, here you want to write a message. And then here is also you have a cavity, you can write a message. Here you can write a message. Here you can write a message. So this ways, this album is having countless spaces and corners where you can write for your papa. Miss you a lot, love you a lot. And I thought, in my story, then what happened? And a father simply sold off his watch because he saw that my son want to go to picnic. And when son came to know, he was very good artist, and his mama was also having a lovely garden. They were having space for to grow plants and flowers. So they started doing gardening. They started collecting seeds. They started taking care of others' garden and collected money, and then they purchase a better smartphone for Papa. This story is available on my YouTube channel also. By the time when you all are looking at this, let me show the artworks of our regular classes. Okay, I will quickly show the artworks of our regular classes. By the time when you all are winding up, and I have such amazing colors available. So these all could be used for making it looking amazing. है ना? If you feel that you want to go for some circles, some colorful dots or some lines or some patterns, use colorful pen and make this album beauty of colors. Rainbow colors you can use. Peacock feather you have. You can simply put a peacock feather in that. And a favorite game of your papa, favorite food of your papa. You can make pictures of, and as if you want to gift everything which is favorite of your papa, just with this thought. Okay, and this is going to be my, yes, albums. I have this. If you have satin ribbon, you can actually use satin ribbon also. And this is your, see, your mini folding album ready. Whatever. Now, inside is completely your choice, what ways you want to make it looking wonderful. And it's completely your choice. And here is your mini folding album ready for your papa. Papa won't be able to even understand and will be able to guess that there is a world inside. And each and every flap, each and every corner, write something for Papa. And use the colors which will not reflect on another paper. And if you want to paste paper, like I showed you now, like it was written something. So this kind of pieces from colorful cards you can cut and you can write your message. If you can't write directly, write messages on this kind of cards or paper and do its pasting. You can cut its beautiful shapes as well, and you can do its pasting. And your mini folding album is ready. I will shift it little here so that you can see Dad is written over a coffee mug for your papa. And now I'll request my team member. But will I be able to see how it turn up on your paper? I will love to show some artworks also of pre-junior, junior, and senior batches. And our offer is on, है ना? For long-term enrollment. So if interested, you can even take benefit. So first, I'll love to show the artworks of our pre-junior batch in which we have students of uh, 3.5 to 7 years old. In this batch, we teach all different birds. We teach animals, bird anatomy, flower pot, and this kind of topic students have modes of transport, poster makings. Many times we do pasting of leaves as well. And figures like this is Lohri drawing. Animal, I told you, like different animals we cover up, butterfly. And right from pre-junior batch, we are teaching them what is complete art. Impression art. This is with newspaper ball impression and finger impression. This is holy drawing. Your favorite characters, different birds I told you because many times you need to draw Lord Ganesha, underwater world with geometric shapes, landscapes I covered up of many kind with different kind of houses, festivals, national symbol. This is a tree, endangered animal, our helpers, World Zebra Day we covered up, one more kind of house, and a Parents' Day special, Madhubani, and Impression Art special peacock, different flowers we cover up, keep your teeth clean, poster making, national symbol, and so on. Some characters of this kind also we cover up, folk art, and My Dream House, Unity in Diversity, and so on. These are artworks of a pre-junior batch. Okay. Now I'll show you the artworks of our junior batch. Junior batch, it means 8 to 10 years old. 8 years to 10 years old children, we keep in our junior batch. In junior batch, we start with pencil shading. See, this is the bow. If you feel that flower pot which you made, you want to put a bow, you can simply make a bow out of it and you can do its pasting there. है ना? So this kind of bows also, if you have many times you take it out from some gifts, you can use it for making it looking beautiful. Father's Day. And if you feel that here you want to put over on the top, whatever, like just make a treasure box in which you can keep. Now I'm going to show the artworks of our the batch of 8 years to 10 years old. Okay, coffee painting, pencil shading, poster making. So this is our voting right. And this is impression art. We personify a tree, zebra, animal anatomy we learn. This is elephant, birthday drawing, mixing of colors and nature art. This is combination of pencil shading and colors. Male and female figures, Lohri drawing. This is Christmas drawing. This is again poster making on clean sources of energy. Pencil shading is part of a syllabus in junior batch. Life before internet, figure making we teach. My pet drawing. My birthday. And pencil shading we start teaching in junior batch. Coffee painting we start teaching. This is abstract art, life of an artist. A pen art also we start teaching from in junior batch. This is artwork with pen. This is also pen art. This is also pen art. Figures, this is Independence Day special. Panther, coffee painting, and watercolor painting, and our helpers, face study, we start teaching, and figures of different kinds we start teaching in this batch. Like you can see, this is Friendship Day special, Rakhi special. This is Unicorn, Ganesh Chaturthi special, Hindi Divas special, World Tourism Day special. Your favorite character, Maya Yashoda and Kanha, Mermaid. This is Diwali, and so on. These all are junior batch artworks. Okay, in which we have students of 8 years to 10 years. Okay. Now I'll show senior batch artworks also. Okay, just a minute. It will help you understand because right now we have all kind of, so that you can understand that what kind of artworks we cover up. In senior batch, we cover up animal anatomy. Many students are preparing for elementary exams also. So we keep the topics also in mind and even the diagrams in mind. So yeah, this will give you full view. My favorite game, and this coming memory drawing section, fate scene, this kind of artworks in elementary exam, Arbinas, this is New Year, and stop use of plastic bags. This poster making, like many students won prizes, pencil shedding, and a face study also we start learning, clean sources of energy again, a poster making. Many times we do little craft also. And this is the combination of still life and mandala. And this is uh, Janmashtami special work, still life we teach, and a figure anatomy. This is Valentine Day special work. Coffee painting we start teaching. Yeah, like from junior batch. And this is face study, poster making on Go Green, pen art, in junior batch and senior batch. Pen art. This is with pen, and this is wet in wet technique. Okay, art journey of an artist. I will be showing two poster makings on journey of artist. And then Children's Teachers Day special, beautiful artwork. Teachers are making ladder to success, design and circle with impression art, and a pollution in a very different ways, like rainy day in a very different ways. And this is Yoga Day special. And this is how social platform is killing your time. And a painting with fingers, Ganesh Janmashtami special. And this is Mother's Day special graphic based artwork, underwater world, life before internet, and pencil shedding. And this is impression art of earbud, and animal anatomy we teach, I told you before, and so on. And a pen art, and so on. These are the artworks of a senior batch. And now I will request my team members to unmute one after another them. I want to tell you about this offer. And this offer is specially for those who wanted to learn from us for long run, like for 6 months and 1 year. And we come up with this kind of offer so that long-term learning could be absolutely budget friendly for you. And without burdening your pocket, child could learn long run. Okay? And if you want to go for enrollment, you can contact on this number 9528379143. You can contact on this number and you can take benefit of this extremely budget friendly offer and can secure your seat. Thank you so much. And now I'll request Neha to spotlight parents so that we can start talking with them and then we'll wind up. Today's class was little challenging and the students are sitting for long. So I will simply go for, yes, come on. Just a minute. One minute's pause I will take. Yes, I'll request Neha, please spotlight mom so that yes, I can see Kiana, and then we can have Iana, Gurnaz, Divyanshi. Please try to unmute yourself. You all are spotlight and have access, please. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello,
Good
ma'am. Good afternoon. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm fine, ma'am. Yeah, this is Kiana's made today.
Okay. And the fold and everything she got perfectly?
Yes.
Wow. And what is your opinion about this mini
The,
folding? Huh.
the thing.
Wonderful. Lovely. Lovely. So beautiful. And because of the stickers, stars, and all, it is looking more beautiful. Lovely. We can make a cake also. Acha, one more thing I forgot. Children,
Yes.
if you want to make Father's Day special cooking without fire cake, and even you can make, please visit our YouTube channel. And there you will find a cooking without fire cake, which is made with Oreo biscuits and things available at home. So you can prepare a surprise cake for your papa on Father's Day. Okay.
She'll decorate it more, I think, after the class because lot of space is available.
Acha. And what is your opinion about today's craft, ma'am?
Yeah, it was amazing. Means I had to sit with her, but I
Today's class was little challenging because lots of
yeah.
folds
uh,
and all. But it was so amazing craft, na?
but
Like card making many
she
times.
did the last folding better than me. Means I got confused, but she did it correctly.
Acha, okay, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, and you did amazing work, my dear Kiana. Lovely. And your pasting of stars and all has made it really looking so beautiful. And I'm very sure. And please capture some moments when you will be gifting this card to your
Yeah,
papa.
yeah,
Okay.
sure. I will send you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'll request other moms also to unmute them. And don't forget to write lovely lines for your papa. And don't copy it from anywhere. Just pour out your hearts. Okay. Yes.
Hello,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Hello, how are you?
I'm
Tashvika.
fine.
Arey wow, your cute little album. Show me. Wonderful. So beautiful. Lovely. Very nice. Very nice. Enjoyed it, Tashvika?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, what is your opinion about
No, it's a
today's?
very good experience for them to understand the essence of every day and how we celebrate and how we can make small things out of the other like waste things, not waste to like which are already used and we can reuse them.
Yeah, yeah. So she enjoyed, ma'am, throughout?
Yes.
Okay. That's amazing. You did great, huh? Now I will request other moms. I can see
Okay.
Gurnaz and Soumya. Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You please try to unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Gurnaz. How are you? Show your craft.
Ma'am.
Okay. You were having photo and all. And see a crown kind of something she made over Papa's head. See, this is the creativity of kids. Like I showed few, but they add on and make the cards looking more wonderful and amazing. She made a crown for Papa's photo and a golden crown overhead. Lovely, so wonderful. Your papa is going to be very happy for this lovely mini folding album. Come, card, wonderful. And if in your school also now, like many times card making competition, so you can try this. And I will teach you one never-ending card also. It keeps opening. When you will open, it will never end. So never-ending card also because card making competitions probably students have. I will try to cover up that also.
Ma'am.
Yeah, ha, Bitu?
Ma'am, your stories is also good.
Okay, you're enjoying.
I like your stories.
Thank you so much. I'm very happy, more than happy to know that you're enjoying my stories. Keep hearing. And work is beautiful. And do capture the moments and you will be giving now so that we can also see that what was the feedback of your papa after getting this lovely card. Okay? Okay, very good. Bye. Yes, Soumya, I'll request Soumya saying, ma'am, please try to unmute yourself. Huh. Hello,
Hello.
ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah,
How are you?
I'm happy and to see Samira is growing day by day and she learns lots of things because she starts in the school's national level and international level drawing competition.
Arre
So,
wow, very
yeah,
good.
so she won this national level competition. So I accept K now she is more things learned by you.
That's really
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
And
So
now
that's
Soumya, you enjoyed today's session, mini folding
yeah,
camp album.
definitely enjoy. And she learned slowly, lots of things from you. So she grown up now. It's okay. Yeah.
Very good. I can see with red ribbon, so beautifully packed. Wonderful.
Yeah. And she
Lovely.
also enjoy your drawing classes in the evening, like a
Acha.
stories and everything. She is doing very well. So I
Okay, that's
accept that now the next competition will come and she will do very well in that
sure, for
too.
sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can
Okay.
motivate them that do your best, right? This way is
Yeah,
very good.
because I request you, she participate in every year. every year in every class for national
Yeah.
and international level drawing
Fortunately, we
competition.
have our
Okay.
website available now, so in which we have
Okay.
all previous classes. Like I covered up hardly
Okay.
any topic or any day or
Okay.
any poster making
Okay.
I skip. And
Okay.
beautiful artworks are available. So when any
But
child, even others kids, if you have
mm,
any competition, you can take help of it.
yeah.
You will find all the
Okay.
clues
Okay.
available.
But
Okay,
your
thank
nature is very nice and your teaching process is very good. So slowly and step by step, student understand.
thank you so much, ma'am. Thank
Yeah.
you. It's
Thank you so much.
beautiful. Beautiful, Soumya. Enjoyed it?
Yeah. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Very good. All the best for your next competition,
Okay,
okay?
ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Thank you so much. I will request Ishadvi Khandelwal. Come on, unmute yourself, my dear. Hello. Hello, Ashok. Hello,
Hello,
Shoyata.
ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, good, ma'am.
Ma'am, please do share your experience about today's craft.
Today's craft is also very good. She is doing good. She
Can I
has
can
created, yeah,
show how open it. Very good. Coffee
Mama,
mug.
mama.
Shabash. Very good. It was little challenging artwork, but students did really well.
yeah.
Wonderful.
Need to decorate also.
Students
Uh,
always have so many stickers and all, no? They can actually use here
yeah,
and write some lovely thoughts for Papa.
yeah.
Yeah,
Your teaching method is also very, very good.
thank you so much,
She
ma'am.
also enrolled already. She is
Acha,
doing good. Yeah,
acha.
she
So,
has
what is your
attended three
observation, ma'am?
classes.
She's improving and
Yeah,
joyfully
she's
attending her classes.
improving. Yes, I also
Ma'am, your voice is stuck. I think the voice is stuck, ma'am. I'm not able to hear you. Yes, Arya, and then we have Iana. And I can see there are so many children in class. We're eagerly waiting. Ma'am, your voice got stuck that time, Ishanvi. Ishanvi, please do share your craft and your feedback also, ma'am. Okay? On WhatsApp. This is my personal WhatsApp number where I review each and every artwork and craft even personally. Please do share your craft here and with your feedback. And we have try to spotlight other moms also. We have Adya Bansal. Ma'am, please try to unmute yourself. Then we have Binaisha.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Hi, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. Ma'am, please do
Okay,
share your.
Adya actually want to say something for you. Adya, please say something.
Adya?
Did you
Yes?
enjoy the class, Adya? And can you show your work, please? Actually, she was enjoying a lot. Like she was busy with stickers and folding the papers and just try
Ah,
to paste it. Adya, can you show your part, please?
wow, so beautiful. Lovely. And such amazing graphics they add. Now, like I amazed at the creative experiments of kids, and that's why very
And
limited.
And one more thing, ma'am, like she always it's been already 3 days, and she's already she learned a lot, to be honest. And
Acha.
we have her drawing sheet also. We are very amazed. Then within 3 days, how she can do this much?
Acha.
And
This is
yeah,
yeah, ma'am.
please say something. You like the teacher work, right? Yeah, yeah. She's little bit shy, so.
Yeah, the students, children feel like when teacher is in front, they feel like to be quiet.
And she's very eager also. One more thing, she's very eager when time is 3:45, then she say, "Mommy, this is my class. Can you please don't disturb me? I'm focusing on my work and all."
Acha,
Yeah.
that's great.
Yeah.
Ma'am, please do share her all artworks and even your feedback about today's activity on
Yeah.
WhatsApp. Thank you
Yeah.
so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. I will request Binaisha. Then we have Iana. Iana's. Then we Babita Agrawal. Ma'am, please try to unmute yourself. And I can. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
And show your craft. Wow, students did so well. Lovely. Enjoyed, Binaisha?
Yes, ma'am. She
Yes,
enjoy.
Now, any card making competition in school now? You can try this card also. It is so beautiful, Iana. I can see your card also. Beautiful. Ma'am, what is your feedback about our classes?
Ma'am, your classes are very good, and she is doing very good work.
And ma'am, please capture the moments when she will be gifting it to Papa, so that somewhere they also feel that this is the gesture of gratitude, which is very important.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And now, Iana, let's try to unmute yourself. I can see your beautiful card, Iana, and then we have Manaya Chakarwar. Please try to unmute yourself. Your spotlight, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Please try to unmute yourself. You're not audible. Iana and Manaya, both of your spotlight.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you, ma'am?
Fine, ma'am.
And card is on process, like decoration work is going on.
No, ma'am.
It shows that how much they like today kids are so smart. They were very good, lovely, very good. And ma'am, please capture the moments when she will be gifting it to Papa.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, she is so excited to gift it her father.
Don't forget to write some lovely lines and lovely promises. I know that the best thing you can gift is promises. You know that what you are lacking, like discipline or regular studies. On Father's Day, Mother's Day, birthdays, the thing which you can gift is you promise. And the gifts they expect from you. And because they are your well wisher. No one else in this whole world can love you as much as your parents could. They're God for you. And please write the promises like I'll be disciplined. This is my gift on Father's Day. I'll be disciplined. I'll do my studies regularly. I'll keep my stuff properly. Whatever you feel that your papa expects. And all of you, this is for all the students. Wow.
This is card.
Wow, very good. It's so wonderful. Very nice. Put a lovely bow over, okay, with blue ribbon. Okay? Enjoyed it, Manaya?
Very much.
Okay, that's great. That's great. And now start collecting this. This is seeds. ये आम की गुठलियां हैं. इसको अच्छे से साफ करके इसको सुखाना है. इसका क्राफ्ट हम करेंगे नेक्स्ट संडे को. ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके तो ये बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट्स में ये सारी चीजें इनके बड़े काम आने वाली हैं. थैंक यू. एंड वी हैव
Ma'am, ये
हाँ मैम. मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
मैम आम की गुठलियाँ कितनी चाहिए?
बस 2 या 3 काफी है. एक भी होगी तो बहुत है. जैसे
Okay,
हम
ma'am.
इसकी एक फैमिली बनाएंगे है ना. मैं मटेरियल का पूरा लिस्ट में शेयर करूंगी. तो इसमें ना आम की गुठलियों का यूज करके और बिल्कुल ड्राई होनी चाहिए नहीं तो कलर निकल जाएगा बाद में.
हाँ,
इट शुड बी
ma'am.
एब्सोल्युटली ड्राई.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, and now I will request other moms. Iana's ma'am, not able to unmute yourself, Iana?
Unmuted.
Yes, yeah. I can hear you
Right.
now. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
How are you, ma'am?
Fine, ma'am.
Iana,
Yes.
enjoyed? Very good.
Yeah,
Lovely.
Anna is enjoying the class.
Very nice. Very good. And what is your opinion about our today's craft, ma'am?
She is busy too in that class. She forgot who is going, who is coming. That much. She is
Right.
enjoying the class.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. And please
She
do
is
share.
in Nani house, so also here she is enjoying.
Okay, this is really amazing that kids are traveling. Like I one child who was traveling and took all the material, and from there, like child is sharing. It shows like how much devoted and hardworking students I'm blessed with. And today, you know what? That class was so challenging. I turned my studio towards sunlight. We don't have light available today. And I took class. Even I was so much excited to taste this. And students really did amazing work. I can see Priyanka Gurnani. Please try to unmute yourself. And after this, we will wind up because it is too long for kids to sit. Yes, hello ma'am. Try to unmute yourself.
आ गई अभी वो बात कर ले फिर आप बात करो से हाय
I'm not
अच्छा यहाँ पे I can hear you, Manaswini. Manaswini, I can hear you. आपकी आवाज आ रही है.
am I audible?
तेज से बोलो
Yes, you are audible now. Yes, ma'am. Priyanka ma'am. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine. This was awesome. Like he was so much excited because he also know that like Father's Day is coming, so he was very much excited about this session. So he also put his own idea like what his father likes. So he asked me to add this thing, especially this like his father loves biryani. So he asked me to draw this biryani over here.
Wow, they're wonderful. That's what I'm saying now. They are more creative than us. Wonderful. And such amazing container like pot he made. Very nice. And even the paper, I think Blinkit bags, no?
Yeah, it is Blinkit
Very
bag.
good, very good. And best out of a waste project, if you have any card making with this, very good. And even things, the elements and graphics he made inside there also. I can see when football was also there on one page.
This is like butterflies he has pasted over here. Like you like showed him the strokes, grass strokes. So he like added here.
Wow.
He learned from your class, like the grass.
Wow.
So he added here.
Ma'am, what is your experience about our regular classes?
It was great, like the way you teach the drawing basically, because just by seeing students can't draw, right? Children can't draw, but like with the points and the how to draw the curves, basically the beginning techniques you're showing, it's easy for them. In fact, he is able to cover this, curves easily. Otherwise, I have to manage the curves especially. So he's able to learn how to make the object out of these curves, circles, and the other wavy shapes and all. Generally, children make mistakes out of those curves, right?
What is the name of child, ma'am?
Hunar Thakur. Hunar.
Hunar. Okay, yeah, I assess the artwork also. Hunar, you are sharing your artwork also, na? This is so beautiful. You very nicely use Blinkit bag paper for making it. Even biryani, it's so mouth-watering, lazeez.
And also, like, he also asked me to write a few lines for his father, like, Papa Mere Papa is a song. So he asked me to write it.
Wow, very nice. You're wonderful. Great efforts. I told you, once they get the basic idea, then they simply think beyond like boundaries. And one more thing, ma'am, like this is a question from all the moms actually. Like definitely this thought must have come in your mind also before enrolling, that will my child be able to learn in online class? And like offline class, we are so much, we think that online class is not something where child can learn something. So what is experience? The other moms, like we have Manaswini, then we have Punyavi. And Punyavi also we have. I will love to ask, ma'am, what is your opinion about this? Definitely this thought, but it must have come in your mind also. Yeah, hello. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you? I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Manaswini loves your classes.
That's great. I'm blessed with such amazing artist students. Show your work, Manaswini. Arey, was so happy.
Pura open karo. She has written message for her papa.
Wow, so wonderful. Colorful paper and such amazing. What is your opinion about today's craft, ma'am?
It was very good.
Ma'am.
She learns very much things.
Very nice. It is really wonderful. Ma'am, now I want to ask that question to you. Like children are very young, and especially the parents of young ones, they feel that online class is not a successful platform for learning. For sure, this thought must have come in your mind also, है ना? So what you experience after joining our classes?
एक्चुअली आई थॉट प्रीवियसली कि पता नहीं ये काम करेगा या नहीं करेगा, वो इंटरेस्ट लेगी या नहीं लेगी, बट व्हेन शी टेक फर्स्ट क्लास शी इज वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर द क्लास एंड शी वेट फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम.
अच्छा, तो मैम जैसे क्लास काफी लंबी होती है हमारी 45 मिनट्स की 1 आवर की, तो
हाँ जी,
ये
हाँ जी.
बहुत जॉयफुली बैठते हैं या आपको प्रेशराइज करना पड़ता
हाँ
है?
हाँ, वो बहुत पेशेंसली आज तो बैठी थी, और ना इतना तो टाइम वो बैठती नहीं है जल्दी कभी.
अच्छा और
एक्चुअली शी
मनस्विनी,
लव्स ड्राइंग एंड क्राफ्टिंग.
that's why these kind of activities add patience.
हाँ हाँ,
And Manaswini, this is a beautiful card. Please capture the moments when you will be gifting it to your papa, okay?
शोहर अपना.
मनस्विनी बहुत अच्छे फोल्ड्स और बहुत अच्छी पेस्टिंग और बच्चों ने स्टिकर्स वगैरह लगा के, अब मैं देख पा रही हूँ कि पुण्यवी ने पूरा फ्रेम यानी टेप से करके इतना नीट और
एक्चुअली शी मेड दिस टुडे. शी इज नॉट
अच्छा
टेकिंग लास्ट क्लास, तो she made
अच्छा
this today.
अच्छा,
And
वेरी
when
गुड.
it completes, I will give you the picture of this.
हाँ, sure, but she draw it very well, lovely.
चलो,
And now Punyavi, ma'am, please
bye
do
करो.
share your feedback on. Bye, Bitu. You did
Bye, ma'am.
excellent. Thank you so much, Beta. Bye. Punyavi, I can see your papa's picture, your handsome papa.
And she's,
Arey,
ma'am, stuck her picture also.
Arey,
Both.
wow, very good. And such amazing handwriting. Neat and clean, beautiful. You liked today's craft, huh?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am. Very, very nice. She also enjoyed it a lot.
And please capture the moments of your papa when papa will be getting this album. And this, if any card making competition in school, you can give a try to this also. Okay? It will be a
Yes, ma'am.
different kind of.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And please do share the craft as well as your feedback also.
Sure, sure, sure.
Is she taking our regular classes also?
No, I am supposed to join. I have, after this class, there's a demo class.
Acha, okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
so I'm joining
Yes,
that.
yes, today we have demo class.
Yes,
Chalo.
yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much. Kyra, please, Kyra Gupta. And after this, we will wind up. Because students are sitting for long and they must be tired. But I really praise their patience and the way like they complete the work. Kyra, please unmute yourself.
Hello,
And
ma'am.
hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm
Kyra,
good, ma'am.
I want to see your card.
Your card open.
Very good. So amazing.
Sure.
Colorful papers and lovely folding albums. Amazing. Very neat and very defined. And you draw your papa's portrait, right?
Yes,
Very good. It is going to be a great surprise. Ma'am, what is your experience about our classes?
Ma'am, she's always very excited for the class. She's already enrolled for 3 to 4 p.m. batch. So
Acha,
today also she did everything by herself.
okay. And ma'am, like the stories also we share with every class. So do she have some impact of stories also somewhere like she
Yes.
shares?
Yes, yesterday she tells me that she likes her stories. She
Acha.
she loves the stories along with doing the craft and the art.
Okay.
That's good, ma'am. Yeah.
Kyra, you did very neat and perfect work. Please do share on WhatsApp, okay, beta? And ma'am, please do share your feedback as well.
Sure, sure.
Thank you so much. And with this, we will wind up class now because 2:30 we started and students must be tired. And I can see this is OV with beautiful card with pink ribbons. And I can, Adita Banta, please spotlight Adita Banta. Will love to. We already had word. No, not today, no? Yes. And students did excellent work. Like, ma'am, please try to unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you, ma'am?
I'm good, ma'am. And I'd like to say your classes have really helped. She's just joined last week, but I can see good transformation because earlier she was not interested in art at all. I had also tried for a physical class for her last year, but she was not ready to join. And somehow it was a summer vacation these days. So my sister gave us a link and she took a demo class. And now she's so much interested into art and she's doing it nicely. I can't say it's perfect, but yes, it's very good. And But slowly and steadily, she's working on it. And I'm happy that she's found this interest in arts. Otherwise, earlier what used to happen was she'd be like, Mama, I cannot draw this. Please, you draw it for me. And I was like, Tum jaisa bhi banao, acha banao, ganda banao, you do it. But now I'm happy that she's enjoying the class and she's learning a lot. Like yesterday also, I think Shravan Kumar wala drawing she was doing. So she's like,
Acha.
Mama, it's not coming out like ma'am. I was like, it's okay, you've done beautifully. And the encouragement you've been sending on WhatsApp, it's helping her improve. So thank you so
Yeah.
much.
And if you're joyfully attending the class, Advika, so 70 to 80% work is done. If you have joy, see, tidy, untidy, perfect, non-perfect, this is something which comes afterwards. If joy is there, then for sure your creativity will drain out or will come up. Okay. And if you're sitting for such a long time and doing craft, it means you have artist in you. Okay. And you're doing great. Yes, I assess your artwork. I remember that was that farmer with plow over.
Yeah.
So yeah. So it was wonderful work, and keep revising. And that's why we give recording links so that students can revise a number of time. And you're doing great. Okay, keep doing.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
And
you.
I'm very happy to know that now you have interest. You are sitting joyfully. Only thing needed is joy. When you do it joyfully, because drawing is nothing but reflection of your heart. Okay, ma'am, please do share your feedback on WhatsApp as well.
Yeah, I'll do that. Okay, thank
And
Thank you, ma'am.
and keep revising all the artworks. Okay, my dear.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you. And with this, we will wind up class. And because it's too long and students must be tired. But my dear children, please don't forget to share your artwork on this number. I will share my blessings, my appreciation, and suggestions with voice message. I can see Anukriti, beautiful patterns she made, she's showing. I can see this is a beautiful card by Hanushka. Lovely photo of Papa. I can see Sanali Sharma. Amazing. This is beautiful by Niveda. Colorful and such lovely graphics. Such amazing and colorful card. I can see Lakshita. Beautiful. And this is by Anukriti. Colorful. And I can see even Avira. I can see Manimala. Great. So amazing. And your efforts are truly wonderful. Please do share it here, okay? Avira, yes, I can see so beautiful patterns you add for making it looking colorful. Lovely. So chalo with this, we will wind up class. Take care. Bye-bye. Next craft with Aam Ki Gutli. Okay? So we are not going to throw this also, and you will see because of its beautiful texture. And a material list I will give you. Take care. Bye bye. Lots of blessings.